Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Today we're going to dive into one of the hottest projects that's being built. And here's why I know it's one of the hottest projects. Look at this damn chart. That's so sexy. That's such a beautiful launch to now. It's sustainable. It's got good backers. So I really took some time. I took some notes here. I want to break it down. I want to break down some of the statistics, what the team is behind this project, what their goals are, and what it's looking like. So it's called PinLink, right? And this is an AI play. So I first of all love the hell out of that, especially because AI is just changing the world and it's not slowing down. And there's been a lot of AI plays, but this has potential with who is backing it, right? And here's the thing. It's kind of a game changer at the intersection of basically blockchain, AI, and real world assets. Now look, the project is not just another DeFi protocol or an AI tool. It's actually a unique solution, and it's going to combine the best of both worlds. Stick around, because if you're interested in passive income, cutting edge tech, and first mover advantage with a fat market cap like that, you're gonna want to hear about this. This is not our usual crazy play, but this is a long-term sustainable play due to the technology and the backers behind it, and it looks like it's gonna be a big mover in the company space. Now first off, let's talk about who is leading the charge. PinLink is spearheaded by a dude named Lukas Orlaski. He is a former VP of engineering at something called Engine, and that was a $4 billion market cap blockchain company at its highest. Now, he isn't just some executive from what I found out by reading. He is recognized by MIT Technology Review as an innovator under 35. And what he did was he had originally built the Engine. Now, his background spans Intel data centers, it says, and crafting enterprise storage solutions. So really seems like this guy knows exactly what he's talking about and how to build something into large scale vision. Because right now that liquidity is at 3.1 million, and that is under not a full month of even launched and live, so that's really freaking awesome. I do want to go through the website real quick so you guys can see how much effort, like when you see something like this, you know it's well built. This is so freaking beautiful. Very well done. That's clearly a GPU. It gives you the exact explanation. It was probably one of my favorite sites to go through and actually do research on this. I had so much fun. This was so beautifully well done. And look, like just beautifully crafted. And once you put that much effort into your website, why are you not going to put that much effort into the business and the continuous growth? And once you see that high of a number on the very, very, very first month of launch, you know it has potential and has long-term sustainability. Now, with him at the helm, I do think it's poised to deliver on its big promises. And they're not just promises. Their D app is supposed to be live in the next few days, so we're going to be able to see it, and there's some closed alpha already being tested by trusted partners, they said. And this project is going to be moving fast, especially if they meet the deadlines of launch. Now, what makes PinLink so special as a system? Now, their core innovation, from what I found, lies in its real-world tokenization model for its DPEN assets. This is technically the first protocol to bring real-world assets tokenization to DePIN at a $3.5 trillion market. That's huge. Now, here's what it's supposed to work like per my understanding. If you own assets like GPUs, CPUs, or cloud storage, you're going to be able to rent out their capacity to AI developers. And we know AI developers need them. Here's the kicker though. PinLink lets you mint an ARC-1155 token representing the value of the device itself. Look, why is that a big deal? Because it technically unlocks a dual revenue stream, per my understanding. You're going to be able to earn rental income from the assets, and then you're going to use the tokenized value of the asset in DeFi activities to technically generate additional yield. So think about it, you guys. I have not seen another platform that's going to offer this level of flexibility and earning potential for its asset owners. That's exciting. Now, I want to break down who's going to benefit from this innovation. First, we've got the DePIN asset owners, right? So like if you own a GPU, a CPU, or a cloud storage, like I said, you're going to have the flexibility to rent them out while tokenizing their value. If you need upfront cash, you want to sell fractions of your assets, ERC-1155 token will let you do that. Now, if you're preferring long-term income, you're going to be able to hold on to the token and maximize its revenue, its rental revenue over time, right? Now, it does adapt to your financial goals thanks to being able to let you decide when and how much you want to sell of it. Two, it's really good for AI developers because they need to use CPUs, GPUs, or cloud storage. And a portion of the fees goes into a rebate fund for them, per my understanding on their site, to subsidize their rentals, hopefully making it even cheaper for them to access enterprise grade resources. And a good business is built when both sides are happy. Also, with their Pin AI optimization tools, these developers are going to be able to see how it outperforms existing platforms and technically the cost and guaranteed the performance. Another thing too is for people who are passive income seekers. So if your goal is just to get passive income and kind of kick it, then you need to own DeFi assets, and you can buy fractional shares of these tokenized assets and earn a portion of that rental income. That's technically will open up a new opportunity for DeFi farmers, right? And then yield seekers to hopefully diversify them into real world assets. And then lastly, most importantly in the business model, PinLink itself. The protocol itself is going to generate income for them from both the rental fees and their token sales. And then it makes it more sustainable and profitable than the current DeFi models. Plus, it's going to reinvest in its assets. This is going to technically create a flywheel of growth and expansion. Now, I want to talk about the final bigger picture, right? PinLink sits at a crossroads of three explosive markets, not just one. That's why this is a valuable idea. That's why it hit $188 million market cap so damn quickly, and it has 10,320. Let's just look at this. Let's just look at this. This is so beautiful. That's so nice. Such a beautiful straight chart. Heck, even if you want to do a 1 through 5 wave, I don't even see like I could claim this is the first. We've got maybe a bit of a second. So what, we're in the middle of the third wave. There's still a lot of potential, right? So this is not just a project for today. It's technically being built as a platform designed to scale. While the initial focus on the GPUs, CPUs, PinLink's tech is going to be versatile enough to tokenize any DePIN or non-DePIN asset. So imagine applying this model to, like, say, blockchain mining, right? So IoT devices, wireless networks, or even like real estate and precious metals, there's unlimited growth potential, and it's practically limitless for this type of project. That's why I really like that. I wish I would have gotten in super early. I didn't, but I'm very excited to see where it keeps going. And I'm trying to find things like this for my long-term bags, because I'm always doing quick things, but like, what is the long-term plan? That's what I've been thinking about. And I'm trying to find really good projects that can give you the long-term sustainability, specifically ones that can yield us consistent profits, because that's the point of crypto. The point of crypto is to have a win-win system for all accounts. And that's why I really like that I found this type of project, an opportunity, and it's coming through, and like people are interested, and there's a lot of people already talking about it. These are the type of things we need to be looking forward to for the long run. Yes, you should still day trade, you should still lever trade, because I love it. I do it every freaking day. But for the long term, you do have to have assets sitting to the side that are working for you, right? Your money is supposed to work for you, not against you. And I love this because with its D app that's about to launch, their partnerships like already lined up, and an experienced team actually leading this project, it has the potential to keep making waves. So if you're as excited as I am, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you've got news that I missed, let me know. I could have missed something reading the site. Check out their website yourself. Consider how this thing could actually change the game for DePIN and real world markets, and let me know what you think. Please subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video.